Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to replace a photo in PowerPoint and keep formatting. Let's get started. At first, open your PowerPoint presentation, then go to the PowerPoint slide. Click this picture and then go to the picture format, and now you can see here change picture drop down menu, then click change picture drop down menu, then click this device. Now I am insert a picture. Click the picture, then go to the picture format, and again change picture drop down menu, then click this device. Insert this picture. Here we can see replace a photo in PowerPoint and keep formatting very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.